Hello, Savan Kumar here. So, risks and regret. Risk and regret, two words, both start with the same letter R, and both are so much connected. Both are so much related. How are they related? How are they connected? Are you aware of this? Can you think of this? How is the word risk connected to the word regret? I will show that to you. I'll share that with you how the word risk is so precisely and so well connected with the word regret. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Do you have any idea of what I'm talking about? Do you have any thought, any reason why you think that risk and regret are the two words that are so well connected to each other? Tell me, I'm waiting. I would love to listen from you guys. Why is the word risk connected, or how is the word risk connected to the word regret? We have never heard of any such connection between risk and regret. Risk and regret. Risk and regret. Risk and regret. No, if I say it in another way, you would find out the connection. Yes, if I just change my way of saying these two words, you will exactly be able to find out the connection between the word risk and regret. I won't say risk and regret. I'll say risk or regret. Risk or regret. That is how your life is about. That is what your life is about. You either risk your life or you regret your life. You either take risks in your life or you get regrets in your life. That is how both of the words are connected. You either risk or you regret. You do not do either of that. You do not choose any one. You cannot choose one. You actually have to choose one. So sorry for the confusion. Yeah. So you either take a lot of risks in your life or you only end up with regrets in your life. I hope this makes more sense now. Have you been taking risks in your life? If yes, then you do not have regrets in your life. But if you are not taking risks, that means you are only living with regrets. Let's understand this with the help of a very small example. Very small but a very relevant example. You want a perfect body. You want a perfect and a fit body. For that, you need to eat healthy, you need to eat less, and you need to work out. So what are the things that you need to do? You need to eat healthy, you need to work out, and you need to take care of your body well. Now, when you are working out, you are risking your body. It might get hurt, it might get damaged, something wrong might happen when you are working out. When you are eating healthy, when you are eating less, at times you might not feel well again. But you are again risking things over there. But when you are risking, you are actually getting a healthier body, a fitter body. And if you do not take this risk of eating less, eating healthy, and working out, you only end up with regrets in your life that you did not do this, you did not do that, and that is why you end up with an unhealthy body, unfit body. Relevant? Let's take off any of the opportunity or the career in our life. Most of the times we choose not to take risks because that is how our society tells us to do. Most of the times we choose not to take risks. And when we do not take risks, what we end up with? We end up with regrets. 5 years from now, 10 years from now, we would end up saying, I wish I had done this that time. I wish I had done this then. I wish I had proposed to that girl then. I wish I had done. Because I did not dare to take the risk. Because I did not dare to take the risk today, it is 100% sure, it is 100% going to happen that you are going to regret tomorrow. So if you do not want to regret tomorrow, you have to take risks today. And the definition of risk has changed a lot. If you are not taking risk, that means you are taking risk. if in your life today you are not taking risk, then you are taking the biggest risk. You're not becoming successful. If you are not taking the risk, you are not getting the opportunities. And when you do not get those opportunities that you should be getting if you had taken risks, then you are at a bigger risk of not being successful, of not being able to take care of yourself well, of not being able to take care of your family well, of not being able to give what people want from you, expect from you. So you are taking all those risks because you only want to avoid taking one risk. And that one risk is of taking the first step. That one risk is of taking the first action that you should have taken the first day. In the first instance, you shouldn't have thought a lot, you shouldn't have calculated a lot, you should have just taken action on that very first day. And if you would have had taken that action, you would not have regretted today. So, time is not gone, days are not gone, future is still there with you. Live in the present, start taking risks, stop regretting tomorrow. Start taking risks today to stop regretting tomorrow. So that is how the word risk and regret were connected. I hope this helps you out. So see you in the another day with a new video. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.